Bashir Hangi, the Uganda Wildlife Authority spokesperson, said that the drone technology will help them intercept the wrong elements, arrest them and prosecute them to courts of law for judgment once proven guilty.
We have ventured into, we have cameras that we have put in the parks, and these cameras have done a good job. We are able to see people who are doing illegal activities inside the park, people who are entering the park without authorization, and we are also able to retrieve the footage from the cameras and sometimes follow up these people. And we've been successful, by the way, because we've been able to arrest some people and prosecute them in the courts of law.
He, however, unveils that for now the drones are very few due to monetary constraints, although plans are on to establish as many as possible because of their efficiency and effectiveness.
Drones, of course, we don't have many, but we intend to have as many as possible, and every year we'll be adding on the numbers. We cannot afford to have all the drones that we have in one go because of budgetary constraints.
He further confirmed to the whole world that the tourists have continued to visit the park regardless of the recent isolated unfortunate incident that saw 2 foreign tourists lose their lives and their Ugandan tour guide, and went on to promise the world of their endless commitment to ensure the safety of tourists while in these parks, adding that it has been their culture.
We strongly believe that if we keep adding on every financial year, we keep adding on to procure more drones, a time will come when we have more than enough drones. And I can assure you, people who think they can enter the parks and properties and do all sorts of illegal activities, their days are not going to be good.
Pontius Enzuma, the chief warden, Queen Elizabeth National Park, has clarified that since the 17th of October unfortunate attack on tourists, they have registered huge numbers of tourists coming to experience the unique features thereof, which foreign tourists take up the lion's share in the turn-up statistics.
Now, just from the time when this incident occurred, that is on 17th to yesterday, we received 957 tourists, and of these 638 are foreign non-residents. And I really want to appreciate the effort everybody is putting on. The tour operators have played a crucial role in continuing to bring the tourists here.
Speaking to Sila Saka, a tourist from the Netherlands, shortly after her amazing experience of the beautiful natural might of the Queen Elizabeth National Park, she said that she was happy and confident finding that able UPDF soldiers deep in most parts of the park, a matter that made her research a successful one.
So we really enjoyed our time. In general, my experience is really a good one. I can say that I feel safe. We stopped, or we were a little cautious as soon as we saw people walking around in the park, especially our guide. He's paying very much attention, and we continued as soon as we saw that the Ugandan army, and we see the Ugandan army all over the park, which actually really makes us feel safe.
Being the second largest national park in Uganda, but second to none in bearing unique features, Queen Elizabeth National Park traces its boundaries in 4 districts of western Uganda, including Kasese, Rubirizi, Rukunjiri and Kamwenje. Speaking to some resident district commissioners of some of those districts, especially Lieutenant Joe Walusimbi, RDC Kasese, and Bron Chikanshemeza, RDC Rubirizi district, they confirmed that they are ably handling all the security aspects in the area, but also sounded a strong warning on people who wrongly use social media to exaggerate minor happenings.
The situation in the district is really normally calm, and tourists are enjoying. If you want to witness, you can go and see they are there, and we are making sure that we are taking care, extra caring of them.
So I'm advising those social media they should stop that habit of exaggerating the situation. They compose something, they create something which can intimidate everybody. But currently in our national park, security has done its work. Visitors, even if you go there at this time, visitors are there. We have received many visitors. Even this morning, they were there. So there is nothing which can intimidate our tourists to come to our Queen Elizabeth National Park.
One can easily judge that the Allied Democratic Forces rebels are yet to breathe their last because of the evil deeds they have done over the years, basing on the heavy deployment of both human and high advanced fighting machines seen in several parts of Kasese districts.